you see the drive leg, the black thing under the dinghy. As you'll see here, because it sticks out, if you drop the dinghy, it will hit the drive leg. So, you have to drop it. You do that by first opening this cover, checking here to see that the silver T valve is pushed in. Then you go here and you open the black valve, as you see. You next open the red valve, which allows the pressure to be released, and the drive leg falls down. And you tighten this black one, and that's it.